Hi! In front of me is ZTE Axon 20, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. First of all, you need to open Photos app. Then tap on one of your folders, in my case Download, and hold the photo that you wish to get rid of. Now you can tap on Chosen Ones or click on this dot at the top left corner instead to select all of them from this section. When you're ready, click on this bin next to Shopping Cart at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up in order to delete them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!